Hello students, as of now you have understood what are variables. Now this is the time to understand the importance of variables. Now Java says that before you can use variable in Java, you need to declare them by specifying their data type. Without specifying data type, you will not be able to use variables. Now what are data types? Data types specify the size and the type of values that can be stored in a variable. So how to declare variables? First you need to specify the data type and then the name of the variable. Now the type here defines the type of data that can be stored in the variable and the name is the name which is given to the variable. Now the data types are classified in two categories. We have primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type consists of numeric and non-numeric data types. Numeric data types consist of integers and floating point data types. Integers consist of byte, short, int and long and are used for storing whole numbers in variable. Floating point data type, double and float are used for storing decimal numbers in variable. In non-numeric data type, characters are used to store single characters and boolean are used to store true or false value in a variable. In a non-primitive data type, strings are used to store group of characters. Arrays and user-defined classes will be discussed later. Now this is an example how to declare a variable. First you need to write the data type, that is int, then the name of the variable, that is age, and we have initialized the variable value to 20. Now here you can see the various data types and their default values and their default size. The data types byte, short, int and long are used for storing whole numbers. Float and double are used for fractional numbers. Char is used for storing characters. Boolean data type is used for variables that holds either true or false value. So how to declare a variable for storing value? Specify the data type, then write the name of the variable by providing a space between them. Int is the data type, age is the name of the variable, and now the variable age can hold a non-decimal value. Double price. Now the price can hold a decimal value. Char gender. Now the variable gender can hold a single character. Now here the variable name, the data type is a string, so it can hold group of characters. Now the variable ans, whose data type is boolean, can hold a value either true or false. Now in my coming videos, I would be explaining you how to initialize variables and to use them for programming. Thank you.